Hey guys, today I'm doing a speed clean power hour with you guys. I hope you enjoy this video and get some cleaning motivation to clean around your house. If you like the video, please don't forget to like the video and let's get started. So first I will be starting in my kitchen and I'll be using this Home Planet multi-purpose spray I found at Target, and I'm showing you here that I got from Target and I use this Ibotta app, and they have like $1 off in there for these sprays, and they are $2.99 at Target, but if you use that app it will be $1.99 and you get $1 in your account. So I'm just using that. If you love roses smells, definitely get that spray, and I used that spray all around my house and it was smelling so good with roses. So for cleaning my counters, I'm just using this German chamois cloth that I got from Amazon. I just wet that with water and I'm just using the spray and cleaning my counters. And I also have another rag that's dry. I'm just cleaning the counters after I clean the counters and everything else. So now I'm just cleaning my stove. I'm just using the stove top that I got from Walmart, and I'm also using the scrubber I also got from Walmart. And I'll also be using this blade that it came with the whole kit. So I'm using that blade to take out all the hard residue that was stuck on the stove, and I'm just gonna use that scrubber to scrub more down if there was something else left on it. And then I just wet my German chamois again and just wiping the top of the stove down. And I'm just gonna spray the rose Home Planet spray on here, and I cleaned it with the paper towel. Now let's move on to my dishwasher. I'm using these stainless steel wipes. I get most of my stuff from Target or Walmart, you guys, and I'm just cleaning my dishwasher with those wipes. And now I'm just gonna clean my fridge with the same wipes. So now I'm just going to clean my dining room. I'm just taking off my placemats and throwing all the crumbs from the placemat down so I can wipe my dining area. So I just took the same Home Planet spray and sprayed it down. I'm just going to wipe it down and took all the crumbs and threw it on the ground, and I'm just going to broom later on actually. So I'm just really scrubbing it down and just going to put all the placemats back and put the decoration back. So now it's time to do the brooming. So I'm just going to be brooming my kitchen area, and then I'll be brooming my dining area. And then after I broom everywhere, I will be using the sweeper to sweep the kitchen and the dining. I hope you guys are enjoying this cleaning video so far. If you are, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you're new here. Introduce yourself down in the comments if you're new here to my channel. I love reading your comments and communicating with you. I know I'm so sorry I haven't uploaded for about 2 weeks. I was being lazy, so please forgive me, but I will try my best to upload one video a week. Thank you for being there and supporting my channel and watching my other videos, guys. I really appreciate you guys. So let's move on to my living area now. So I'm just cleaning my leather couches with my leather wipe. I do that about once a week, all my couches. So I'm just gonna clean my couches with those leather wipes. And then I'm going to be brooming, cleaning with the broom at the back of the couches because their dust do accumulate. And I'm also opening the back of the couches because these are like recliners, so food does get stuck at the back of it. So I just like to get all the stuff out of it, the back of the couches when I can. So I'm just going to quickly broom all around the living room and just collect the dust and go trash it first. And then we'll be vacuuming the rug with my Dyson V10 that I love. I got that last year around this time and I still love it. I do use it occasionally here and there, but I also like to use my Shark as well. So this is pretty convenient to use because it is cordless and you can just use it all around. So now I'm just gonna clean my coffee table with the same Home Planet spray. That's the only spray I'm using, guys, all around this video actually. So I just cleaned it and put my remote control box there and my flowers on the table. And I'm also gonna take out my other side table and put it back where it was before. And I cleaned that as well. Folding my blanket correctly and placing that back. Well, now it's time to clean the TV stand. And I'm just cleaning all the dust down. And I'm also cleaning the TV because kids like to have their handprints there all the time. And yeah, so I'm just cleaning that TV screen pretty well. Now I just decided to clean the fireplace as well because it does have some dust there. I haven't cleaned that for a while. Now it's time for the sweeping. I love the sweeper, you guys. It's so convenient and so easy to sweep with that. I get those refills from Costco when they go on sale and they're so cheap. Yeah, that's the best way to just clean your floors with that. That's it, and now let's move on to our summer home decor. So here on my coffee table I have my flowers here, and the vase is from Home Goods and the flowers are from TJ Maxx. And that box I got from Home Goods. I keep my remote controls in there. And that tray is from Home Goods, I believe. So that's how my coffee table looks. And then moving on to my TV stand area, I just have that lantern there that my brother gave me. You have seen in my previous video before. Then here I just have at the bottom shelf I have two plants there that I got from Home Goods a couple years back. And then some other decoration there. And then on this shelf I found these two paintings this year at Dollar Tree. They are so pretty, so I had to get them, so I put them over there. And moving on to my fireplace, I just have these two golden lanterns. I got that from Walmart, and those candles are flameless candles from Costco. I got that from around the Christmas time, so I have them all around my house. So on top of my fireplace, I just have these blue candlesticks. I just found them at Home Goods. I thought they were so pretty, perfect for summertime, so I got those and put them on top of my fireplace with some hydrangeas flowers. And then on this side, on the first shelf, I have that K sign there with that blue plant. And then I also have this gold ring and with more succulent on there. And on the next shelf, I have this pineapple and a home sign and a lantern. And on the third shelf, I have this mason jar that says family is where life begins and love, the candle and some rose. On the last shelf, I have this pink roses and this love is beautiful succulent sign. I also found that at Dollar Tree, and that bead chair. I got that from Michael's on clearance a couple years back, so I have that there, and that's it. Now moving on to my dining area. I just decorate this side, so I have my orchid here. I got from Home Goods like 2 years ago, I believe. I love that plant. And next to it I have this lantern that is from IKEA with some fairy lights, and that bicycle is from Walmart this year in the spring collection. And on the dining area I just have some lemons in a jar, some napkin holders, and those are like your phone or your iPad stands. And on this side I also found these new paintings at Dollar Tree, and they're so pretty. They do not look like from Dollar Tree. I had like two plants here but they died, so I just decided to put these paintings there, and I think it looks so nice there. Do leave me a comment down below letting me know how you like my summer decor, and I hope you enjoyed this speed clean power hour video with me and a few ideas for summer decor. If you enjoyed this video, guys, don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you're new to my channel and become a part of my YouTube family, and I will see you very soon with a new video. Bye!